Who can clean 3 panes of glass the fastest with the fewest mistakes? Welcome to the IWCA Speed Competition. Thank you so much for learning about this and possibly volunteering to be a judge. Contestants are required to clean 3 45-inch square panes with a 1/2 inch deep frame and a 2-inch deep sill. Only equipment supplied by the IWCA and the sponsors is allowed to be used. This includes a 14-inch fixed-handled strip mop and a 12-inch fixed-handled squeegee. Each contestant has the right to inspect the glass before their run, making sure there are no residual marks or drips. They also have the right to inspect their equipment and test it on the glass. If they need a new squeegee blade, they are allowed a new squeegee blade as well. The referee will count down 3, 2, 1, go. When the referee says go, the timers will start their stopwatches and the contestant can start their run. Contestants must indicate verbally when they are done with the run. Stop. Timers will record the lowest time. The strip mop and the squeegee should not be touching the glass until the referee says go. It is a 1-second penalty if the contestant is touching the glass before the referee says go. Each sill must be wiped with either the finger or the squeegee. It is a 1-second penalty for each sill that is not wiped, for a maximum total of 3 seconds for not wiping the sills. A streak or a drip is a 1/2 second penalty. If the squeegee misses a section of glass, it is a minimum 1-second penalty. A good rule of thumb is if the section is smaller than your open hand, it's a 1-second penalty. If the area missed by the squeegee is larger than your open hand, it's a minimum 2-second penalty depending on how bad the miss is. Here we're going to see both a streak left behind by the squeegee and a miss with the squeegee, and we'll analyze how to judge each one. As we can see here, that streak is still there. But we also have this hazy area here. It appears the contestant pulled the squeegee off the glass before finishing off the run. So we have 2 different mistakes. This would be considered a streak, which is a 1/2 second penalty. But this is a miss with the squeegee, and it's a solid 12 inches or more up and down, and I can't quite tell from this shot how wide the miss is. But that is a significant miss. So a 1/2 second penalty for a streak or a drip, but a miss needs a bigger penalty. A good rule of thumb is if a miss with the squeegee is smaller than your hand, it is a 1-second penalty. If it's larger than your open hand, it's a 2-second penalty or more. Let's take a look and see what it means to miss a section of glass with the strip mop. Right here, you see this triangle that has not been wetted. Watch what happens when the contestant comes back underneath it with the strip mop. So we see that the contestant had gone this way and back down on this side, but when he came across, he left this triangle open. That is a fairly large miss with the strip mop. A miss this size is approximately the size of the squeegee. That's worth at least a 2-second penalty. In February of 2019, I took the IWCA Championship in San Diego, California. The very next month, I went to London, UK, and took the World Cup. Let's take a look at that UK run so we can pick apart my major mistakes.
Are you ready, Jeremiah? 3, 2, 1, go.
First, you'll notice I cut the first and second corner. I was pretty clean through the middle. Then I made this sharp turn and left this little doozy right here. It's not just a streak, it's a miss. That one cost me. This entire run had 6 seconds in penalties. Let's have a quick note about disqualifications. There's really only a couple of reasons why a contestant should be disqualified. One is for unsportsmanlike conduct, and the other is for refusal to follow the rules. Remember, this is about having fun, so we want to encourage everybody to be involved as much as possible and not to discourage them with unnecessary disqualifications. For a quick reference guide, take a screenshot of these next 2 frames. The IWCA speed competition is held in honor of Jim Willingham. Jim had a major impact on the IWCA and the window cleaning world. Jim was there the very first time I ever competed at an IWCA speed competition. He took the time to show me the ropes, gave me some points and tips, and helped me to place top 10 in that first competition. I really appreciated everything Jim did for me, and many feel the same way. He is missed.